Alright. What's poppin', what's good? Post Magazine, This Generation Source. I am Rico Suave, aka the Crow God. Some people just call me Angel. I am your host, or whatever they call these people that talk to you on your YouTube screens. So, this is going to be a new segment we're going to be doing every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. We're going to be dropping the hottest music videos of the week, the month, because, you know, people don't be dropping music videos like that, especially with Corona. Hey, keep your asses home. All right, I'd like to go outside again. All right, wear your masks when you do go out. Stop partying. Stop smoking fucking hookah. That is carrying the virus and giving it to everybody and anybody. All right, but so this week, for this new video we're gonna be doing, this music video is a South Carolina artist, Apr Ratchet, and he dropped his new video for "Break 'Em Off," filmed by No Shake Films. Here you go.
Miss Pretty, you playing with your fucking nails? They finna get dirty today. Tighten your ass up. Look like you work at Gadaver's. Oh my God, you gonna have to cut this bullshit, boy. Looking like Medusa. Button your shit up, man. Looking like a scrub. This motherfucker here. Damn bandana on. Bitch, you still Peter Bed. You alright? You nervous? Motherfucking squirt. Motherfucking Kodak Black. You's an ugly motherfucker. That shit down, man. Fuck is you doing? Got friends on your shirt. Look like you ain't got no friends.
Man, I'm down popular, man.
I bet your best friend Palmelina. The jacket of Jack. Fuck you supposed to be? What's your name?
Call me Ratchet.
That's why young Ratchet don't go nowhere without that fucking Mac. And I was gon' fuck that bitch, but now she acting fucking slack. I found another bitch that freaking acting throw it back. These niggas be telling all that court just to eat they time. These niggas be out here going outside like that boy said 9. I really be out here getting that cake, bitch, I'm on my grind. I really had get up on my ass, couldn't get left behind. I don't give a fuck about your pistol, cause you still a bitch. Don't make me snatch you out your car and take your fucking shit. They say young Ratchet, boy, you hot like some damn grits. I put the fire up on your ass and make you damn shit. I bought a coupe last year and pimp that bitch out. And if you tryna fuck the bitch, what you can get out. I got them sticks around me, bitch, I got them booms out. Not talking handyman, but I got them tools out. I'm in the hood with it, nigga, so it good with it. I keep 100 rounds for a nigga sneak dissing. Then for them niggas getting that grub up in them damn trenches. Then for them niggas with that grub up in that damn bitch. The recent trigger faker, itching that what mine gone. That nigga turned up, he gon' keep a Glock though. Y'all boy be smoking on that shit that smell like pine cone. I made a couple hundred jigging off the iPhone. This shit for real, in the field, we in the fucking zoo. Oh, that's your bitch, nigga, fuck you and your boo. Straight up, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Bitch! You know how we doing that shit, man. Alright, y'all, fuck who coming, nigga. Straight up. Doing this shit for the motherfucking 19, nigga, all the way to the 20, nigga. Straight up. Nigga, fuck you and your boo.